What's up YouTube? I hope you guys doing great. My name is Mabu Nakagawa. I'm a Japanese YouTuber who started my channel 3 years ago. I've been doing a lot of activities and I'm uploading many kinds of YouTube videos like Japanese breaking news with Black Monday, domestic trip review with Mabu, cooking recipe with Mabu Kitchen that I basically select from my liking, and know how about my financial literacy and so forth. Overall, I call it a wide variety of my activities, Nakagawa House. I try to talk about all kinds of topics I really want to share with you. When I upload today's video, it should be already July. It's already getting so hot, so humid, and so sticky out there. I already get so sweat. Under this crazy weather like summer, I know you guys desperately stay home and turn on the air condition at below 18 Celsius degrees, and as a result, you guys get sick. I know it happens. That's not good. That's absolutely uncool, right? If you wanna have a great summer, you gotta monitor your health condition. You gotta stay healthy. So here is the deal. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a Japanese style spaghetti with soy sauce flavor. Yay! Hi. This Japanese cuisine is enriched with many kinds of nutrition which contains high quality protein, minerals, and other minor vitamins. When you eat it, you're gonna be able to have enough stamina to overcome the hot temperature of summer for sure. I'm also still having a dietary life with much low calories as possible. If you are on a diet with me, I believe my cooking recipe would help you with your weight loss as well. That sounds cool, right? I don't suggest you to eat too much pasta every day because pasta is high in carbs, which can be so bad for you when consumed in a large amount. But I hope my original spaghetti could add your cooking list on your daily basis as well. Alright folks, enough intro, let's begin. Make sure you wash your hands and sanitize before you get to start cooking because virus is still going around. I haven't got vaccinated yet. I still need to be careful when going shopping in a grocery store. It's pretty awful out there, but anyway, I'm gonna show you sample ingredients for now. You don't have to be prepared for everything I have right now. You can get pretty much whatever ingredients you want. I'm making something more Japanese for loyal viewers. It sounds so fancy, but it's literally just a familiar spaghetti to be honest. I selected some particular Japanese ingredients and left over from my dinner last night. One of my amazing magical ingredients I want you to try when you have a chance is this. Konnyaku. It's also written as Konjac. It doesn't matter whichever you write. The pronunciation is pretty much same. Konnyaku is basically made of a taro or yam family, so it's root. This plant is mainly cooked and consumed in a tropical East Asia area. Many Asian people, including me, would love to eat it. It tastes nothing, but I recommend you to add it to your everyday dietary life because it contains 0 calories and you can get full. Yes. That's pretty good deal for you, right? If you are a European viewer, Konnyaku might not be so familiar for you, but I think most of Asian stores in your country are available. You can try if you have a chance. It's very simple. Konnyaku is a very convenient cheap food. You can combine with sashimi, amakara ni, chigiri konnyaku no pirikara itame, shirataki champo, takikomi gohan, grill yaki, and anyway, whatever you want. If you want to know more of Konnyaku cuisine, I put the reference URL link down below. You can check it out at your convenient time as well, okay? First off, just after boiling plenty of water with 2 teaspoons of salt, you can add in 200 grams of whole wheat pasta. Here, whole wheat pasta is one more important ingredient I want to introduce to you today. So it's healthier than white pasta, as you can expect. I'm not a quite qualified nutritionist, and maybe it's not good for me to define the difference of the effect between refined and whole grain pasta, but I believe whole wheat pasta is good to lose your weight because Google says so. And Nakayama Konnyaku suggested me on YouTube. I believe what I can believe. I'm having a great night, folks. My cooking video is supposed to be a fun time. Yeah, let's go back to my kitchen anyway. I will start cooking with 20 grams of butter in a pan as well as 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I should have thrown some minced garlic into the pan after melting the butter, but I forgot. I'm so sorry. I was so forgetful. It's okay for now. Never mind. Adding your chopped konnyaku, sliced chikuwa, ham, and frozen prawns respectively. Mix them repeatedly until they start to smell super good. Also, spices are more important secrets to make it more delicious because I use a bit of grounded black pepper directly imported from overseas and natural salt refined from settled seawater. I got this seasoning at the gift shop on the way back home when I went on a road trip at Onomichi. Please review my old video if you are interested as well. My bad, I promoted my old video. Never mind again. So pretty much everything is available in most store. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect in my cooking recipe as long as it's tasty. So you can put it more spices if the sauce tastes right. When you are done with that, finally I mix my pasta well. It looks so good. Okay folks, here's a Japanese styled spaghetti with soy sauce flavor. Great, well done. It's super splendid. I didn't have enough time to make my cooking video recently because I was so lazy. I just made myself a quick breakfast, plain lunchbox with salad and cold tofu, and at night I just ate my mom's dinner because I wanted to save my time. But if you request me to increase more frequency of uploading my cooking videos with the Mabu Kitchen, I'll make another one by all means for you. Okay? Leave me a comment below in case you guys have any suggestions. If you guys enjoyed today's Mabu Kitchen, please give it a like and press the subscription button if you don't mind. If you share with your friend, your family, and whoever you have, please forward my channel link to them so that you can keep on the same track. Okay, I very much appreciate your support. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.